If you clicked on this, then you probably have some type of addiction, which means you are wasting your time on some habit or thing that you don't want to do, but you still do it. Now, why did I use the quotes when I said addiction? Because it doesn't really exist. You think there's some evil force controlling you and forcing you to do something that you don't want to do and wasting your time. But no, in reality, you are actually free and controlling your own time and actions. You do the habit because you want to do it and you have nothing better to do. So that's why I'll be sharing 5 habits that you can adopt instead of wasting your time on that addiction that you have. Alright, let's go over them one by one, and they will also be progressing. Like the first habit would be level 1, then level 2, level 3. Alright, so the first habit is resistance training. I recommend this because you have to do it for the sake of your mental sanity and also for your physical fitness. There's just something about pushing your body to the limits and lifting that weight, pushing a piece of weight or distance till you can't do it anymore. It just feels so good, and it's like a good workout is better than therapy in my opinion. So yeah, try that. And now let's move on to habit number 2, which is learning some sort of physical skill. Now, why did I mention this in this digital economy? Because this is a prerequisite to the level 3 or the habit 3, which I will be talking about. Because physical skills are in our natural human nature. Something like playing the guitar or any other instrument, or learning a cool trick to show off to your friends, like a cartwheel or something. There's just something about it, and it feels so special and unique. It will really give you lots of joy, and it might not make you money, but it's so worth it. And you're wasting your time anyways on your addiction, so why not do this in your free time? It will be both fun and productive. So now let's move on to habit 3, learning a digital skill. Now we're taking out the big guns. This is going to be your first step in your path to achieving financial freedom in life. You can learn anything from coding to video editing. It's all good, and it will really help you in your career in the future. And maybe not having a digital skill be a lacking point for you, but don't do it just for the sake of money, and actually learn a skill that you will use and you find very fun. Habit number 4, organizing or optimizing, as I like to say it, your environment. An organized and optimized environment is key to unlocking that productivity hidden inside of you. We all have productivity hidden inside of us. We just need the right environment to unlock it. And if you are also learning digital skills, then this will skyrocket your progress. And in that case, your workspace can be divided into 2 parts, physical and digital. Physical being more important, but digital cannot be overlooked either. You have to keep it simple and organized, and it should also motivate you to work every day. Habit number 5. Now, this is one of the most important habits, and that's why I kept it for last. And I'm going to give you 2 options in this. The first is the traditional path. You can go and start journaling and write about your day and what were your achievements and lacking points today. But there's an even more powerful technique, and it is called time logging. It basically means taking a notepad or a diary, and I recommend to do it on a pen and paper instead of on a software, and literally tracking down everything that you do in a day. From like you wake up at 6 a.m., then you do this from 6 to 6:30 every single time. No time should be left in that diary. Even if you don't know what you did, just write I don't know, but do write the time. And at the end of the day, you can decide whether today was productive or not. I'll be making a more detailed video on time logging soon, so check it out. It will be in the description or in that card, whatever that thing is. Time logging is literally life changing. I need to make a video on it. Alright, that's it for now.